How to update Apex Legends Mobile on any device. The process will be the same on Android as it is on iPad, and as well as you can see here on the iPhone. The first step is to either go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, then type in Apex Legends. Once you find the game, there should be a button where it says Update next to it. If that is there for you, then just click the Update button, wait for it to download, then you should be able to play the updated version. If you can see a screen like this where it just says open and there's no update available, then the next step is to delete the app, so remove it from your phone like I am here. On the iPhone, it's similarly on the iPad, and a similar process as well on your Android devices. And then you want to re-download it, so just click the download button again. Then you should be able to play with the most updated version available for you. And if that isn't actually the update that you want, then pretty much the situation is that it's not available in your area at the time, so you will just have to wait. Unfortunately, that's a thing in some regions, so you'll just have to wait if that doesn't work for you. But leave a like on the video if you're going to do this, and subscribe for more helpful videos.